Hello, you're welcome back to KickToken. On this channel, I show you how to make money with cryptos. On this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell coins on Binance Spot Exchange. Don't take it as a minimal thing because I'm going to show you something you probably don't know about trading on Binance Spot Exchange. And if this sounds interesting to you, take a second and give me a subscribe. Click on the subscribe button written below this video. Click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, we get new notifications whenever I make new videos. Before we continue, please understand that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Let's get in. Very first thing you are going to do is that you are going to click on this market. When you click on this market, at the top here you are going to see search coin pays. This is where you cite the pay of the coin that you want to buy, because assuming you want to buy BTC, it means that you have something else that you want to buy it with, like other crypto coins or your fiat currencies like dollar, euro, naira, etc. Now when you search for BTC here, BTC, when you search for BTC, you will find BNB BTC, and this 10x written at the top here. What it means is that maybe you can have up to 10x leverage on Binance futures. Now, but we are talking of spots here, so we are not going to the futures. Now, you will also see the second one, BTC USDT, and other pairs that goes with BTC. So if you have BNB and you want to buy BTC, you can go with this first one. And if you have BTC and you want to buy BNB, you can still go with this first one. And because what I have right now that I want to buy BTC with is USDT, and because I don't want to buy BTC using BNB, so I will not click this first one. Now this second one is BTC USDT, and I have USDT that I want to buy BTC with. Now I'll go with this second one here. When you click on it, it will bring you to this place, and now you click on this buy. Because I'm buying, if you are selling, you click on sell, and from here you can still change it. You can still change it. If you want to sell, you click on this one here. If you want to buy, you click here. Now we want to buy BTC with USDT. This is Theta. It's a stable coin. If you want to buy it, you are going to, assuming you want to buy, like I have 30 USDT here. Assuming you want to buy $20 worth of BTC. Now, when you click on this one, this place is automatically filled because this is the price of BTC. You can see that when you click, this is the price of Bitcoin per USDT. Now, you saw that when I clicked it, that place was automatically filled based on the current plus and on the current price as of that time. Now you can decide to place your own price here, the price that you want to buy BTC. Assuming I want to buy BTC when it comes down to $50,000. This is it. I place it here, and that is why it is on limit order. Now let me show you this. A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. Limit orders are not guaranteed to execute. That is what it is. Limit orders are not guaranteed to execute because you can decide to buy BTC at this price of $50,000. And if it doesn't come down to this 50,000 per USDT, now if it doesn't come down to this price, it means that you are not buying. Your order will still will continue to remain here. Assuming you want to buy it right now, you are going to see it. When I click on buy, I want to buy 1 BTC per 50,000 USDT. That's at the price of 50,000 USDT. Now this, you will see that this will just remain here at the open orders. It will not, this market will not get filled until BTC touches this price of 50,000. This is 50,000 USDT. You can see it from here. You can see in this is daily on the daily candles in this chart here, that as of last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as of last 9 days, that BTC touched the price of 46,930. So if you think that within the next few days that BTC price is going to come down at the price of $50,000, then you can decide to leave your order. But if you want to buy it immediately, if you just want to buy at the current price, what you are going to do is that you are going to place this on the market price. When you place it on the market price, you then write how much you want to buy. So let's first of all cancel this order. Let's cancel this order. When you click on that cancel, the order is cancelled. Now we are back here. Now on this market price, if I want to buy $20 worth of BTC, if I click on it, the market will just execute. I'll just buy it immediately. I'm buying at the very current price. Now let me show you this again. Market order is immediately matched to the best available market price. So this, when you place it on this market price, you are telling Binance that whatsoever is the price of BTC right now, that you want to buy $20 worth of that price. So when you place it, you will see right now that when I click on it, the thing will just fill. I have bought BTC already. You see it here. Are you seeing it? BTC. When you check it here, you see that 19.9, probably because the trading fee has been reduced. Let's continue. I'm going to show you something again. You can see from here that the next thing we have here is stop limit. And now you can see that the current price of BTC is $58,482 right now. Assuming you feel that BTC is having resistance around $60,000, you can see from the charts here that it's as if it's having resistance around $60,000. You can see here that the 24-hour trading high here is 58,981.44 USDT. Assuming you feel that it's having a resistance around $60,000, and when it finally breaks the $60,000, there is going to be a massive move to the upside, and now you want to buy it. You want to place an order to buy it, but you don't know when it's finally going to break that $60,000, and you don't have to keep watching your phone. So you are placing an order to tell the system that immediately it breaks $60,000, let there be an order for you to buy at a particular price. And now this is the stop. This is the price that you are telling the system that when it reaches $60,000, now that's this stop here. And now the price here is the price that your order will be placed at. Let's say 61,000. So what this means is that you are telling the system that immediately BTC reaches $60,000, let an order be placed for you to buy BTC at the price of $61,000. And now you fill this here, this $10 here. When you fill this one, this one will automatically fill. This amount of BTC will automatically fill. So when you place the available here, the available USDT here is remaining 10 USDT. Now I place this 10 here, and you know that in Binance you cannot trade with anything that is not above $10. So I have to place that 0.04. So this is it. This is it when you click on this buy BTC. So you can see from here that the stop is $60,000, the limit is $61,000, the amount is 0.00164 BTC, the total is 10.04 USDT. If the last price rises to or above 60,000 USDT, in order to buy 0.000164 BTC at a price of 61,000 USDT will be placed. Let's continue. And you can see from here that the very next thing we have is OCO order. And you can see that BTC is trading around $58,145 right now. And maybe you think that it's having a support around 56,000 and then a resistance around $58,000 to $60,000. So, and maybe you want to place an order to buy when it goes down to, when it breaks this support and goes down to 55,000, or when it breaks this resistance and goes up to $60,000. This is what you are going to do here. You place this at 55,000. That's the price that you want to buy when it breaks that support. And now this side now is similar to what we had in this stop limit order here. And now you place this one at 60,000 like we did the other time, 60,000, and then the price that you are buying is 61,000. 61,000. And now you place 10.04 here. So what this means is that what this OCO mean is an order cancels the order. So if BTC goes to $60,000 without going down, without first of all going down to $55,000 that we have in this limit here, then this order to buy at 55,000 will automatically cancel. But if it first of all goes down to 55,000 without going up to this 60,000, then the order to buy at $60,000 will automatically cancel. So that's what this one means. So after filling this, then you click on buy. Then when you click on buy, you just confirm it. When you confirm it, you will show here on the open orders. Now let's go back and sell the BTC that we bought the previous time. Don't forget that we already bought BTC here. BTC worth of $20. So, and you can see it from here. You can, when you go to your wallets, you can see it. So these are the different pays that you can trade BTC with, and we want to sell it back to that USDT that we bought it with. Now you click on BTC USDT. When you click on it, you can see that this is in the limit order and this is in buy. We want to sell it right now, so we'll click on this sell, and now we place this at the market price. But first of all, I want to show you something in the limit order. Assuming we want to sell it at $60,000. $60,000. Then all. So when you click on this sell, when you click on this sell, you can see it in the open orders here. The same thing is applicable to every other thing we did here. When you click on it, it will remain on the open order until it gets filled, because we want to, BTC is trading around 57,500 right now, but we want to sell at the price of 57,611, as you can see it from here. That's why now the order is filled. Now you can see it is automatic. It has filled already right now. So I have successfully sold the BTC that I bought back to USDT. Assuming I want to buy another coin, I want to use the USDT to buy another coin, an altcoin. Let's go with Zilliqa. You can see it now. If I want to buy it, you click on this buy here. What I have here is 29.6 USDT. So, and I want to buy, I just put this on the market and then I click on 100%. I want to use the whole of this USDT to buy it. If you want to use half of it, what I have here is 29.6 USDT. If I want to use the whole of it, I click on 100%. If I want to use half, I click on 50%. If I want to use 75%, the same thing. So, and if I want to just write my own, if I want to use 10, I write 10. If I want to use 12, I write 12. And remember that you cannot buy anything, you cannot trade with anything that is less than $10 in Binance. So it has to be maybe 10.1. So that's how it is. That's how it is. Let's go with that. Let me show you something now. If I write 9, I want to buy the one of $9. I want to show you practical example of what I'm saying. You see what Binance will tell me now. The total order amount must be greater than 10. So it has to be something that is greater than 10. If you place it on 10.1, now you will see that I can be able to buy with 10.1 USDT. So that's how it is. It has already filled. And when I go to wallets now, you see that I already have Zilliqa here, and you can see it. I was able to buy 47.65 Zilliqa with that $10.1. So that's how it is. And when you are back to this trace and you want to see your history, you click on this thing here. You click on it here and you can see all your open orders. You can be able to view them from here. The order history, you can view it from here. You can see all the order history, both the ones that were filled and the ones that were cancelled. As you can see from this one was cancelled. So that's how it is. All your order history can be seen from here. Let's go back. So that is it. This is how to buy and sell on Binance Sports Exchange. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your coming here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the KickToken logo that is popping on the screen. Click on subscribe, click on the bell, and click on all. If you are looking for the best exchange, you can go with, I recommend going with Binance, which is the largest exchange in terms of trading volume and web traffic. I have my Binance referral link in the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.